Destroyer.
Let's get out of here!
Please remain calm. This is not a drill.
Cobra, please get to the grass. It's dangerous up here.
I've always wanted to see a human up close. I hear they're capable of speech, like us.
They are nothing like us.
What you gonna do about it, ants? Nothing. Cause I'm big and you're small.
Away, monster, or I will use my powers to destroy you. Powers that I have yet to perfect.
Hit the deck!
Hello. We mean you no harm.
Oh, great.
Please go in.
Everyone get down!
Are you all right?
I guess he didn't hear me.
Lucas! Peanut, it's time to come inside now.
Peanut. Huh. I think I might have gotten through to him. What do you think?
Destroyer.